What up, bro? What's happening with you? Blessed Sunday evening to you, wherever you are. Whether it's this morning, evening, afternoon. I'm doing this video now and it is Sunday evening in Jamaica. So whenever this video reaches out to you, wherever you are, whenever you get to watch this video, blessed, 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 whatever day, whatever morning, evening, afternoon, night. It's just a blessed time from me to you. Carrying over the blessings. You don't know me always talk about the blessings from 2018. Blessed 2019 to you all. Hope that it has found you and the family in good health, most of all. Good health and everything. So when you get to watch a video, if you're in bed, if you're going to work, if you're coming from work, or if you're at work and you take a little peek and watch me, are just blessings. Are just the blessings. See? Because you see that 2019 yeah, are just more blessing we say on the Jamaican Deb stream. More blessing, more love, more upliftment. We are claim it. Eh? And before I get any further, lest I forget, I want to say a big shout out to Gary and Pat all the way in the UK. Pat is not doing so well. My sister, just give thanks, keep the faith, keep the faith. You never know what might happen. I'm praying for you that things get better, okay? So blessings and love and peace. I know you're not feeling well and all of that, but look here, don't give in. Just be strong. Try to, eat right and try to see if you can get a little exercise in, because you don't know it going on, my sister. So just love and peace and happiness from my little Jamaican home to you and your family, to wherever you are, all the way in UK. Try to keep warm, okay? So all of you, just send some love, straight love for Pat, especially Gary and Pat, their husband and wife, yeah. Just send some love to them in the comment section. Pat is not doing well. And also remember Ali Melis's wife. We are sending out some love for Charmaine too, because we don't forgot them, And hope that things are going right. Make sure, we just hope that things that step up. Not cure all the steps small way to go up, it has step up. So give God the glory, because look here. Nothing there where him can mend. There's not a broken vessel that he cannot mend. You get what I'm saying? Just keep the faith up, because you never know. Make sure you keep the faith up. Eh? So we are sending out some love for another sister and our husband right here on the Jamaican Deb stream. And I want to thank you so much. Those of you who are new right on over here. I'm still not catch up with my comments then, but I am coming, man. I'm coming there. I am coming. I'm going to be answering every single one of you. It's going to be late. I just want to thank you for the love. But I just want to thank you for this whole, this peacefulness, this warmth that you're sending out to me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Thanks. You don't understand. You will understand one day. I let you understand. I feel blessed. I feel loved to have you as my extended family. I don't know about you, but I feel loved, I feel blessed because I can share with you. And when I share, the comments, the feedback that I get, it's positive. Because you know why? When I share a real life, what I'm sharing with you is real. I'm sharing with you what I know, what I have been through, what I'm going through. Okay? So the positivity, let's keep the positivity going for the 2019. Now, when I say New Year's resolution, I don't make them, I don't make New Year's resolutions. I live and just live and just try to be good. Just try to be nice. Be nice, you pay a huge price. And if you're watching me speaking this to you, and you're a person that has been nice and forever been nice, and you know the price, the pay, where it is so huge, it rip you up inside, or people tear you up for being nice. The price is high. But it doesn't matter, me still gonna be nice. I'm still gonna be nice. Because you know what happened? I need my blessing, so I'm gonna be nice. I'm not, me not make nobody make me not be nice. You know? So as I'm saying, I don't make New Year's resolutions. What I know is that for this year, I'm just gonna be loving myself more. What about you? I'm just gonna be cuddling myself, and I'm gonna be loving myself some more. Oh, that lot of love that I've been giving out to some that don't even deserve them love, I'm gonna be taking some of them nice for myself. What do you say about that? Comment. If you're a person who has been giving out a lot of love, a lot of love, a lot of love, right now, honestly, and if you feel like how me feel like me need some of them love. So man, for this 2019, that is all I know. I'm gonna be loving myself more, cuddling myself more, putting myself first more. You know, that's what I'm gonna be doing. What about you? If you have somebody like me, do you feel that you need to love yourself some more? Yeah, because sometimes you know what happens? We give out so much love and we don't give ourselves none. When we really check it out, we don't give ourselves not much love. So instead of waiting for people to love us, why not love ourselves? We need some more love. So I'm going to be taking some form of my love, some more of my love for me. I'm going to be keeping back some of my love for me. Not that I'm not going to be loving, I'm going to be loving people, but I'm still going to take a huge portion for myself. What about you? Please comment. So, as I say, I don't make New Year's resolutions. I don't ever find myself making them. Like some people want to say, going on a weight loss journey and stuff and all of that. Because look here. If you want to go on a weight loss journey in everything that you do in life, and if you take, you're gonna be doing it, and you know, you have to know how you're doing it. You have to do things make it not stress you out. Because if you want to go on a weight loss journey, you want to lose some weight. The first thing I mean, that thing say, me personally, if I go up on a weight loss journey, I don't want to scale in my bathroom or in my house, because it's gonna lead me to be weighing myself more often. And in order to lose some weight, it takes time. You're not gonna lose the weight overnight. And I'm gonna be inclined to every minute me I step on the scale and then me see me not lose nothing, me just panic and go on in a stress mode. You know, which you don't need. You know? Because sometimes when you start stressing out yourself, you put on more weight, you know. You know why? Because every time you pass something where you not to eat, you pass something in the refrigerator or in the kitchen, and you know you're not to eat it, but because your brain's so stressed, you just pick it up and eat it. You see what I'm saying? So I would say, if me, I go up on a weight loss journey, I don't want a scale. That's the first thing. I'm not going to need a scale. We're not talking about going on weight loss journey. I'm just trying to put something here into perspective to say, I don't set goals, you know? And because, you know, some people say, I'm going to lose some weight, you know, and you get a scale and you start. No, just do it. If you exercise today and you can't exercise tomorrow, just let it be. Let it be. You know, just easy squeeze and don't make no right, especially people like in my age group. We work hard and we come and reach them years, and we need to take it easy. Whatever you're doing, just take it easy. So, let's check in a little chit chat. We want to go forward with the channel. I'm trying to put some little, you know, things in perspective. I want to get more realer with you guys. I want to chat more with you. We want to have few little sessions where we sit down and we chat one-on-one more with you. I want to reach out deeper to you. Because you know what happened? I put out a few videos earlier last year sharing my experience of life. Just what I've shared with you is just a little droplet, you know. It's just a little droplet, and people are saying, "Wow, Debbie, you know, you got it so hard," and that's just a little drop. It's just a little drop. And let me tell you, the feedback is so overwhelming, because people literally are going through the same things that I went through. And people were saying, Debbie boy, it is so good of you to share with other people your experience of life. I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem with that, because you know what happened? When I share it with you, when I speak, it releases my tension. I don't know about you in Paris. Sorry, but when I go through all of these struggling that I've been going through over the years, this is this platform here, this channel here that I share some of what I've been through with you. It has released that thing that has been embedded inside of me. You don't understand how relieved I am to share them. I've got a lot more to share with you too, right here on the Jamaican Debbie stream. So that's, I'm going to say, I don't make New Year's resolution. I just move according to, I just flow, you know. Being a good person as always, I've never stopped being a good person. Never. When you hear Roxy out the door, my puppy, Roxy know when me I talk to you, you know. You hear me? I'm going to introduce him to you one day. I'm going to introduce him. He's so jealous. He knows me I talk to you, know. You hear him outside? So I'm just saying, when I share, I don't care what anybody want to think or want to say. It's my life. And if I want to share it, I share it. Because it is helping other people. You know, because some people are going through some things. They have gone through some things. It eats you emotionally. It eats your mental. Look here, some things that you've been through with some people and whoever and whatever. If you don't get to share them, I don't know about nobody, you know, you keep them all welled up inside of you, year after year, decade after decade and all of that. You know what happened? It starts to eat at you. Eat. I remember me telling myself my nerves not so 100, you know. So me I feel work on it. I don't want nothing inside. I eat on my nerves. So I share with you as I go along. So as I say, I want to get, you know, I'm just trying to work on something where we have like even once per month, we have a straight make with chat. Probably even going live. Some real life things as women, as men, you know, that we face, that we go through. And sometimes men tell us that most of the men, you know, males are always different. They don't like to share. I don't know them, you know, men are always different from women. You know, the women more gravitate to share because as women, you know, me swear say, we have a lot in common, you know, because the struggling that a lot of us, that I share with you that I've been through, a lot of women goes through it, or have been going through it right now, you know, and it's hard. For me, when me I go through them breeder struggling, then I need somebody to say a word to. And that best friend thing video, that was the one that started it off. Sometimes you go through some things, you know, and you need a little somebody to say something to you, yeah. And then when that person say, come on man, come on, what you chat about? You're going like a year alone and a year alone. It make you feel so good, you know. So I want to come with some of those. I'm just want to make sure say everything good. As I told you, I have a video to make for that. The cold remedy. That little sniffling there with the kids them. And make sure after all them Christmas eating there, me and all too, you know, wanna take one good old Jamaican wash out. You remember them old back there Jamaican wash out? Comment if you remember them. Comment. Me and all are gonna line up one here too. So maybe I'll just share it with you. Maybe by next weekend I'm gonna line up one for myself, you know. If you want me to share, I'll share it with you in a video. Please comment if you want me to. If you see how me I go take it and watch me through the day, or me I go run to and from. But I'm a person like this, you know. I don't easily, my bowels is not, you know, some people them bowels free up easily. My bowel don't free up easily, you know. So me have to go make a strong one. Make sure all of them only pass something there. Excess eating, they take some good wash out, flush out, to make your body feel good. You know? That's why I'm telling you, I don't make New Year's resolution. These are some of the things that we need to do. After all them excess eating and drinking and all of that, we need to flush out our system to feel good. Because some of them automatically become undigested food. When you have so much that, some of them go all about different part of them they forgot, and then gonna go turn undigested food and turn gas. So we need to get that in our system and to flush through our system. Some people don't believe in it. But me come from the old school, and you know, back then my parents never used to ramp with me. You know, when after Christmas and you're going back to school, you have to get a wash out. You have to get a hardcore wash out. You know, you feel good and all of that. So those are like some of the little things. They are not necessarily New Year's resolution. I just like them, they may focus on, like in my head I say, okay, I'm going to give myself a nice wash out now. And all of that. Do you take wash outs? Or do you understand what, maybe Jamaicans we say wash out, but other people, other countries probably would have said flush out. You know, some people use different method. You know, mud your herb. You remember all those herb and all of them something they parry? So I just talk randomly on that video and I just check it in with you to make sure it's everything okay. And I realized that you liked the Christmas dinner, the New Year's dinner, the prepping, the cooking, and how we ate. Although I never get the whole family to come sit down. But let's not rush it. Let's not rush it. I like to do things on a slow basis, you know, because it works better. You know? Take things slow and let it fall right into perspective. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the caring. Thank you for the sharing. Thank you for the response. And I realize that you like it. So now that I realize that you like it, we will be going sometimes, mostly on a Sunday, in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how I prep. And from Sunday, because some Sundays I don't even make dinner. I don't make dinner. You know, even today I don't make no dinner. I just don't make dinner. So some Sundays, when the time is right, I'll take you through and I'll show you, share with you. You don't have to cook rice and peas every Sunday neither, you know. So if you want me to share some more of those dinner prepping and cooking and all of that, I can. And I will. So please comment. Please comment. Thank you for the love. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much. Thank you for those who are hooking me up. Somebody hooked me up on Instagram and show me what whole cake was you make. Big up yourself. I don't remember the name. I'm not sure if you're on the Jamaican Debbie Deb strain. I hope you're on this channel here. She make one whole heap of cake and she sent me pictures showing me, you know, and just thanking me. I just want to thank you. I felt so good. Me feel good when I share with you and you do and it come out right. Me feel good. Me feel loved. Me feel blessed with you all. How do you feel with me right on over here? Me feel good because me send out something and you all receive it and it's something that is positive. Some people are saying, Debs, oh God, I am so blessed. I truly don't know how my kitchen is up. Yeah, I want to know kitchen for up. That's what I want. And I want not just your kitchen I want, just life on a whole, for we just up. You know, I'm just sharing. I am just sharing. I'm no superwoman. I'm just sharing as a Jamaican woman. You know? You understand? Having the experience and the journey of life. And I'm sharing it. And I want to tell you something. The young people, they might embrace it too. There are so many young ladies are hooking me up. They are WhatsApping me. They are talking to me. They are saying, Debbie, thanks for the love. They message me. Thank you for the love. Thank you also for the love. Because without you, there would be no me here. So I'm going to check in pound to make sure it's everything okay, you know, for the new year. Remember, don't forget to open your eyes. Open your ears. Be vigilant. Be wise. When you're going to look about your business and to make your move on this journey of life and to move forward, don't tell anybody your business. Make your move. Do what you gotta do. Okay? Don't open your mouth and talk what you're gonna do. Just go do what you're gonna do. You see? This is the journey of life. It can be so complicated sometimes. It can be so messed up that you didn't even know. That is your own mouth sometimes. Cause so much problem, so much all those come down on you. Just go about. Do you know that little thing I say, go placidly in the life amidst placidly in life or about life amidst that and that. I think you all know that it's like a poem or something. Read that and follow it. Just go about your thing. Don't tell, you don't have to tell nobody nothing, because you don't owe nobody no obligation. You're at your job and you're working hard to get yourself a little house. Don't tell anybody that you're looking about a house. You don't need to tell nobody your business. Get what I'm saying? One person you have to tell it. If you so believe in the Spirit of God, you talk to the Spirit about that. The Spirit of God, get yourself, if you so believe in it, you know, we're not talk religion, but if you're somebody that do believe in that, you get connected and you talk. You see that spirit is when you tell him your business, not telling nobody. You get what I'm saying? So go about your business, make your moves, be vigilant, be wise, open your eyes, open your ears. Tomorrow morning it's Monday, it's the start of another week, and most people it is the start, very first day on the job for some people for the 2019. Be strong, be wise, and be vigilant. Is what I'm saying. And try to remember to be good. Just be good. It doesn't matter who want to be nice to you. Be good, be nice. It no real matter. I am a firm witness. Me a plain witness. If you say it no really matter, when you be nice to people, it doesn't matter who want to be nice to you in return. When the time come for your blessing to come, it will come. And let me tell you now, when you sooner work hard for the blessing and you see the blessing that come, make sure you stand strong, you know, because somebody's there is going to be there trying to take it from you, you know. So just be nice, just be easy, just stay calm. You know what, so many things happen to us on a daily basis. You don't think they might happen to me too? Yes, they are. So many things. So many things. A lot of things happening to Debbie Debs. Wholly more than you anticipate. You get what I'm saying? So, I share some with you. What I share with you is just a small fraction. But as I go along, I promise, remember I keep promising you, I've got a lot more to share. So if you're not subscribed yet and you just watch from the inside, from the outside, just take a little peek, you need to come hit the subscribe button now. And you need to hit the bell. Because you know, you don't know when the next video will be about sharing something that you need to hear. Will be about sharing something that you have been going through. You know? And you don't like to know how to go through with it. You never know. So, you know, thank you for your love once more. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, your kind words and all of that. Somebody was asking, and it's not the first to ask this question, what does the word pari means? Well, in Jamaica, pari, and I did say it earlier on when I just started the channel, it simply means we are together. We are like that. It simply means we do things together. Pari in Jamaica, when we say, you know, say I'm a pari, it simply means we do things together. It's like you know, say, you're my best friend. You are my best friend. Okay? So it simply means that we are paris. We do things together. Par means we do things together. So when we call on a pari, it means me and you together like that. We do things. You're my best friends. You're my friends, you're a pari, me I'm a parring partner. We do things together, we talk things together. That's what it means. So when I say pari, it's not anything bad. Well, you know, I couldn't come and say bad things. But it simply means we do things together. We are like that together. Me can't tell you what I do. Me can't tell you what I go cook for my dinner. Just like I share with you what I'm cooking for my dinner. And for New Year's dinner and we eat with you, that means me and a part together. We do things together. So all who are watching, and when you get to watch it and you don't understand that what it means, we are like that. We do things together. So this is just a little new year checking in, a little new year chilling, chatting, getting, you know, to make sure, you know, everything is okay. And as we say, I don't do New Year's resolution, and all who have their New Year's resolutions planned, I wish you all the best. I wish you every luck, everything that you'd like to be done for the new year. I wish that it will be done for you. Just claim it, work on it in silence, and I have to tell nobody. If you're such a person that makes your resolutions and works towards them, nothing is wrong. Embrace your same way. Claim your thing, claim your victory. If it's a house, claim it. If it's a car, claim it. If it's a husband, claim it this year. Whatever it is that you make your New Year's resolution for and you need it, claim it in a Jesus name, okay? And look here, I'm going to check out for now. And you know something I'll check out without my asking you to subscribe. Remember to subscribe. And if you think this video deserves a thumbs up, please do so. I'll thank you. And you know, when I leave out, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Just stay, continue staying on top of things. Remember to send some love for Gary and Pat. And also we are checking for emails, make we know what going for charm, you know, if things that step up fair. Because you don't know we depend on yes and we are family. So man, check out. You never know. Keep subscribed, keep your notifications on. You never know what the next video might be. Love.